Why personnel hygiene is critical in GMP environments. Welcome to Module 1 of Mastering Personnel Hygiene in GMP Environments. In this module, we'll explore why personnel hygiene is not just important, it's absolutely critical for ensuring product quality and patient safety in GMP environments. Human beings are the main source of potential contamination in manufacturing processes. From skin cells to natural bacterial flora, our bodies can introduce contaminants that compromise product quality. This is why strict hygiene protocols are essential. In this module, we'll cover the key aspects of personnel hygiene, the role of protective clothing in preventing contamination, the importance of hand hygiene and health surveillance. Let's dive in. The importance of personnel hygiene. Let's start by understanding why personnel hygiene is so critical in GMP environments. In the life sciences and pharmaceutical industries, even the smallest contamination can have serious consequences. Contaminants can come from many sources, but one of the most significant is the human body. Here's why. Skin cells and bacteria. Every day, we shed thousands of skin cells and carry natural bacteria on our skin. These particles and microorganisms can easily contaminate products if proper hygiene measures aren't in place. Behavioral risks. Simple actions like touching your face, coughing, or sneezing can introduce contaminants into the environment. Even jewelry, cosmetics, and improper clothing can become sources of contamination. Regulatory requirements. GMP regulations, such as the EU GMP guidelines and 21 CFR Part 211, require detailed hygiene programs to minimize contamination risks. Non-compliance can lead to product recalls, regulatory penalties, and damage to your company's reputation. In short, personnel hygiene is not just a best practice. It's a regulatory requirement and a critical component of product quality and patient safety. Key aspects of personnel hygiene. Now that we understand why personnel hygiene is important, let's look at the key aspects of a comprehensive hygiene program. Protective clothing. Protective clothing, such as coveralls, gloves, hoods, and face masks, acts as a barrier between personnel and the product. The type of clothing required depends on the cleanliness class of the area, with stricter requirements for sterile environments. Hand hygiene. Proper hand washing and disinfection are essential for preventing the transfer of contaminants. Gloves must be worn in certain areas and changed regularly to maintain cleanliness. Health surveillance. 3. Regular health checks help ensure that employees are not carrying infectious diseases that could contaminate products. Employees must report any illnesses or health changes to their supervisors. Training. 4. Regular hygiene training ensures that all personnel understand and follow hygiene protocols. Training should cover everything from proper gowning procedures to the importance of hand hygiene. These elements work together to create a robust hygiene program that minimizes contamination risks and ensures compliance with GMP regulations. The role of human behavior in hygiene. While protective clothing and hygiene protocols are essential, human behavior plays a critical role in maintaining cleanliness. Here are some key behaviors to keep in mind. Avoiding contamination. 1. Avoid touching your face, hair, or any uncovered skin while working in clean rooms. Minimize talking, coughing, or sneezing in sterile areas to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Following procedures. 2. Always follow gowning and degowning procedures to the letter. Pay attention to details, such as tucking sleeves into gloves and ensuring that hoods fully cover hair. Reporting issues. If you notice any issues with your protective clothing, such as tears or contamination, report it immediately. Similarly, report any health changes that could affect your ability to work in a clean environment. By adopting these behaviors, you can help maintain a clean and compliant GMP environment. In this module, we've explored why personnel hygiene is critical in GMP environments and introduced the key aspects of a comprehensive hygiene program. From protective clothing to hand hygiene and health surveillance, every element plays a vital role in preventing contamination and ensuring product quality. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into the role of protective clothing and how to properly gown for different cleanliness classes. Until then, take some time to reflect on the importance of hygiene in your daily work. Remember, maintaining a clean environment is everyone's responsibility. See you in the next lesson.